Hello there. Today I'm gonna go back to what I used to do and follow what I like to do and not what I was following, because I have been over mixing the silicone because I heard that's the way to avoid the sequence of cells that form that are not pretty. But I like not to mix too much the silicone because I like to get huge cells. So I'm gonna do what I used to do and use same paints that I used to use in the past. And this one is Hansa Yellow Light, Quinacridone Violet, Cerulean Blue, and Titanium White. I only mix 3 times the silicone, which is spot on in here, because that's what I used to do, and I used to get huge cells. I want to have huge cells today, so let's see. Bring the cells back. Okay. Mission accomplished. Huge cells. Thank you for joining me.